We need to change. We need to change from June to July. What do we got in July? We have a different airplane. What number is that?
10.
10. Where are we going?
On the beach.
Beach and we'll bring this guy with us. Okay, let's put some batteries in here. Your biker is good to go. We're gonna do a quick Q&A and we're gonna have a beach day. No, this hand.
This one?
And this hand. This is good. So we need to put on the jacket.
Actually, I don't. On.
There.
On this
Let's
way.
go.
That way.
They've totally skinned us down. See?
Style.
See what I mean?
Yeah, since this down.
Questions and answers. What do you think is an acceptable drone for under $500? Some of them already mentioned that DJI has come down the price. That's one. And then also there's another drone called Autel. Very similar features to the DJI drone. So it's worth looking into that as well. Why not return home? Good point. I'll actually do that on all three. Which drone do you like better? Typhoon H. Great video, but why not upload in 4K? Show the full potential of the drone footage. The computer unfortunately doesn't handle the 4K resolution. Okay, this is from the test flight. The Phantom looks like the exposure was set too high. It's pretty washed out. Yeah, well, I had the same settings as on the Typhoon H. It was the vivid colors, and I tried to bring down the white exposure as much as I could, but still that was the end result, unfortunately. What's your favorite filter? I actually don't have a favorite filter, but I do on a day like this. It's overcast, it's cloudy. I would use the gradual ND filter or gradual gray filter because it would bring out the clouds a bit more to an sort of effect. Nice videos, girl. I can't make up my mind as to the Q500G or the H. The H is $1,000 more expensive than the Typhoon G. We can't get the G here in Australia for $1,000. It's winter here, so not much flights happening at the minute. So I have a bit of time to make up my mind and save more bucks. By the way, did I read that you have to register the H? Any drone that's heavier than kilo has to be registered with your local authorities. Just a technical question. How is the Typhoon H classified in Ireland? Thinking of buying one as based on your opinion. It seems to be a very nice aircraft. I went to IAA website but still couldn't figure it out. If you have a minute, would you mind spending one episode as a guide or for a newbie like myself? Thanks in advance. God bless. I think I have a video about that, so I will try and find that video and I'll post the link into the description. Where is a complete in-depth guide to using the Vizard? All these videos online only help so far. There isn't an actual in-depth guide because it's very straightforward. If you know how the remote works or the transmitter works, then the Vizard would be kind of reflecting much the same features. However, a Unique would have instructions on their site. My wife's ancestors are from Scotland. Do you ever get into that area with your drones? She loved the TV show Outlander. Thank you also figured out all my problems with my Typhoon. I was attempting to fly it and crashingly in areas lots of electronic activity, no problems so far. Yeah, well, I think that also is important that you calibrate your hexacopter or your aircraft before you take off, so it's got the set point for that location. That is it for today, guys, and let's go and try and get some tests with this bike. It is stuck, Buzzy. Reverse. Okay, I don't think this is going to work, so let's go on a tarmac, Woozy, shall we? Okay, let's go on a tarmac, and it's extremely windy here. And I can't believe that the lifeguards are out today. There you go, my little man. Turn right. Thanks a million for watching, and God bless you all. Don't forget to turn on the notifications for any of my new videos so you wouldn't miss them. Goodbye. Sloan. You'd like to have a chocolate?
Yeah.
So now let's see if we can do something about that. This is your money.
Yeah.
You can buy your own chocolate.
I buy all my own chocolate.
Go. That's enough. One is enough. No.
Thanks. Nice. Yeah, there you go. Your change. Thank you.
Fudge.
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 Chocolate.
Chocolates.
Fudge is just enough to give your kids a treat. A finger of fudge is just enough until it's time to eat. It's full of